Hello world, it's Dr. Rico Short, board certified endodontist, and I have a new instrument technology. It's called the Picasso Pro. This is a dental laser. Not only just a dental laser, it's a dental laser that can be used for endodontics. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is the box. In the box, it comes with a mini iPad. So the mini iPad here is the control unit for the laser. The other thing about the laser that I like it is very unique in the fact that if you look on the back here, you see some keys. So you can actually turn it off, take the key so no one uses it like a car, and you put the key in and like turn an ignition, and then it turns the laser on. So you can see how it says Picasso Pro here. And once you turn it on, you have an iPad. This is literally a mini iPad here. So once you actually open it up, just like a mini iPad, and then it's going to ask you for a passcode, and you can set your own passcode. So I'm going to put in my passcode here. And once that's set, and then you can see all the selections here. You can lock it. It talks about the manuals, utilities, presets, and operated. So we're going to set it back here, and it sits here in a cradle, and it's also magnetic as well, so it locks in. Then I hit operate here, and the cool thing is this is the actual laser, and this has a tip here. The tip is bendable, and this is a size 20 at the tip, and I'm gonna show you also how to activate it. This is the foot pedal down here, and it's a Bluetooth wireless foot pedal. So this is it here, and the way we operate it. See, that's as an endodontist, we always say obturate, but we mean this case operate. This is how you operate it. So you will hit ready. It's ready, and it's already preset here. And this is the tip size. The tip size right now I have it on as a 200 or 200 micrometers here. Hit ready, and you can see it's firing up here. You can see it red. It's firing up. And then once we want to activate it here, you want to make sure it says ready on your unit here. And then as I push the foot pedal down, what's happening now is the laser is actually activating. So you definitely don't want to touch it because it will get pretty warm. And the cool thing about this technology, it's a different type of laser. So a lot of times in endodontics, the laser that we typically use, it moves fluid around. Now this one is different. This uses a heat bursting ablation technique. So the whole purpose of this, once we get inside the canal, clean and dry before you obturate the case, and then you run the laser inside in a circular motion for about 30 seconds. And as you're going up the canal, you actually are using the very tip to touch the walls. And what does it do? It takes care of necrotic tissue, any vital tissue, any bugs inside the canals. And the studies show that it can actually do it with a 99% success rate that I'm going to test with the Endocator. So anyway, this is some new technology. And one other thing is the inventor of this technology says we no longer have to use sodium hypochlorite. So that's a game changer. That's right. No longer have to use sodium hypochlorite. This actually comes with their own LEAP irrigation solution. And this is the LEAP irrigation solution, and it is a proprietary formula of chlorhexidine and alcohol. So this is it. So you don't have to use any sodium hypochlorite according to the manufacturer of the LEAP laser. The other thing about it is very versatile. So basically these are some tips here that can be interchangeable. So we can turn it off. Once you turn it off, you can see the light goes off here. You can take this off here, and you can use this specialized cone. You can see this cone here. This cone, the cool thing about this cone, you can actually put it on the tip of the laser, lock it in place, and you can actually use it before you anesthetize patients. So you'll put it on the gingiva and hold it for about 30 seconds. It'll get warm, and then you can anesthetize, and according to the studies and according to the manufacturers, they don't feel anything. So you can go ahead and throw your topical out the window. If it works. I gotta see if it works first. So he says that once you put this on the gingiva for about 30 seconds, you can give a pain-free injection. So I'm really interested in trying this new technology, the Picasso Pro laser by AMD Lasers. So you'll see more about this soon.